Yeah, I can that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see here we got the the other handle cut out, and we're going to put the grip in there with some epoxy. So we'll go some of that resin. We'll go mix that right now. Right now, I want to try this Bondo fiberglass resin. You can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot, and when you open the top, it already has the hardener there for you. So we're going to go ahead and mix this. Let me go ahead. Put 2¼ teaspoon hardener. Doesn't take much. You got to work with it real fast because I made so many mistakes on this. Once it gets hard, there's no way to spread it. I mean, it just turns into gel and then it hardens like a rock. It gets kind of hot too. Just mix some more of the epoxy, and I'm going to pour it down in here. It's just about, I think, 3 ounces. And I'll brush it around, make sure I get it up on the sides and up on the flange as well, right up here, so it doesn't get compromised. And we're just going to stick this thing in here. Clean off the excess here, and that'll be it. Let it dry.